is a smart city project. There's a lot going on here, a really high traffic volume. There's automation in place. They're going to do some cameras, LiDAR systems, things like that.
We have an opportunity on a state route, which carries about 60,000 cars a day, to really start to bring data analytics behind the movement and protection of people, vehicles, pedestrians, cars. And on those poles, we're going to be hanging cameras that will have computer vision, machine learning to do object detection, classification, speed, pedestrians in the crosswalks, as well as using LiDAR, because that gives us a full 3D perception view of that intersection.
Unexpected speed today, actually. We know they're fast, but today we had 4 installed in less than 3 hours today. Minimal crew, minimal machines, everything went really smooth. The lightweight nature of the pole, the fact that it can be easily handled by one small machine, and that it can be modified or changed in the field to allow for conduit runs, things like that are unforeseen, makes it really flexible.
This is Curiosity Lab at Peachtree Corners, one of a kind living lab to help bring public and private sector together to use real world infrastructure to bring the future of cities together. So come join us.